Hi guys, welcome to Oulton Park. We are here with a Cup 200 series, and that's MK Sportscars, Automotive Racing, Richard Webb with RLM as well. And we've been out today. We've had, well, one qualifying, 2 races today.
Yep.
So Richie's going to fill you in on how we got on.
Yeah, so qualifying, we were all out this morning, very early doors, 8:30. And between our guys, we had a little bit of an incident with one of the cars, unfortunately. A little bit of an accident with Steve, but he's okay, thankfully. We managed to put 88 on pole with a 149.6.
Rapid.
Closely followed by Dave and then Matthew, I believe, in
Matthew,
P3.
Yep.
And then the other guys further down the line. Race 1.
How did that go? Oh, it's all going.
Yeah, Mr. Watson, I have to say, brought it home in P1 and drove absolutely stunning.
Yeah.
He gapped me, I couldn't do anything about it, and he broke into the 49s himself for the first time this weekend, which is just absolutely stunning.
Absolutely amazing. Dave, I'll be honest with you, Dave's been really fighting hard. Sorry about the noise, guys, we are live here. But really fighting hard for that first win, and it's amazing for him to get that first win. I mean, to beat Rich is a tough task. So, you were P1. Here he is.
I was P1.
Well done, champ.
Sorry, Dave was P1. I was just so used to saying it. So obviously we went into race 2, completely fired up, side by side with Dave on the grid, with Matthew behind. I wasn't going to let him have it again, but he beat me again.
Another P1?
Another P1 for Dave, another P2 for me, and another P3 for Matt. To be fair, Matt didn't test, so he drove superbly today. Yeah, I managed to keep with Dave for a little bit on this one, for the majority of the race, to be fair. Tried a few moves, it got very close at some point, and then Dave just pulled a cheeky little stop and go manoeuvre on me in the corner to break the toe, and that was it. It was, he just pulled away.
It looked fantastic, and it's always great to see these cars go around. It's honestly, come and watch this. So I've had some of the guys turn up today and never watched. It's fantastic racing to watch. The cars have been great. We had a really big grid, 27 cars in total. And it was 8 for us to start out with. Big grid, and you know, we're challenging with these Spires now.
Yeah, we are. Yep, right in the middle of the grid. I think, you know, the first 8 were in the 47s, I think, but then from P8, P9 backwards, it was sort of like the 150s, which is where we can sort of pitch the cars. I mean, most of the guys were down into 50s, 51s. Yep. Carl's got himself down into the 52s this weekend, which is brilliant. Yep. He's a new racing driver this year. He's doing amazing. So yeah, I mean, we're really mixing it right with all the others. So the cars have performed great all weekend, and yeah, it's been another top show, I think.
So what's next? Where are we
next? We've got Cadwell Park next, and I think that is really going to suit these little things. So really excited for that.
I can't wait. I can't wait for Cadwell. So you're there, Dave's there. In fact, Matthew is not in at Cadwell. We've got a new driver who's actually behind the camera, who's going to be a cabin. So hello, Ben, and welcome to the Cup 200 series, where we look forward to see, and I'm sure everybody will be cheering on Ben. He works for us here at MK as well, so I can't wait to have that, and maybe Dave and Rich will share some experiences with him. So
absolutely.
Thank you again for an awesome weekend.
Thank you.
And well done to you, Dave, and the team. Atomic Racing here at RLM. If you want to know about the Cup 200 series, you must give them a call here, hook them up. The grid is growing, and you don't want to miss out on some of this championship and this booster engine singing at 11,000 RPM. Awesome. Thanks very much.
Cheers, guys. See you later.
See you later.
Cheers.